Today was one of those days where the sun was shining. So I jumped in the Jeep and I took a run down the Columbia, down onto the lower Columbia on the Washington side. What you're seeing here is the drone view of the little community of Skomokawa. You can see the water's pretty high. We've had a lot of rain here lately. A lot of rain. Nice little resort, hotel, and there's a market over here just on the right. It's a nice place to visit. Friendly people. You can see what kind of a beautiful day it was, off and on. Look around there. You know, I don't know that living on the river like that or on the backwaters would be my thing, but these people have learned to adjust for it. They enjoy it. The bridge over there goes over to a little more of the community. You can see their docks, and apparently they spend a lot of time on the river. Little gazebo there on the left, you can see. I was down near the gazebo flying the drone. The church up on top is now a community center. You can see farms in the background and a little bit of business. It's, I don't know, probably 35 miles downstream from Longview. Okay, now we've switched gears. Now we're over at on downstream a little bit. We're at the Grays River Covered Bridge. Interesting fact about this bridge, even though it's been rebuilt, it was originally opened in 1905. It's been rebuilt. I mean, like we looked at, it's got a metal roof on it now, which makes sense, you know. Let the snow slide off so it doesn't cave it in. It has the distinction of being the only covered bridge in the state of Washington still in use on a Washington highway or road. I don't know what you want to call it. It's not much of a highway. Yeah. You can see the water's pretty high. Beautiful farms around there, you know. I'm sure they have a moisture problem. I wonder how late in the year it is before they can get into the field. Coming back upstream and looking at the bridge. There was a rainbow up there, but I guess I blew it. I didn't get it captured on video. It was just, I'm gonna have to look through my stills and see if I caught it on one of the stills. A little bit of rain, sunshine, you can really see the contrast. It's just, you know, it really makes things brighten up. You can see most of the leaves are gone now. It's that time of year. You can see my Jeep over here on the left down there in the muddy parking lot. And it was about this time that it decided it was going to start getting wet. You see, look at the rain. It just started up on us. It's time to bring the drone down. It's really not very waterproof. So here we come down. Time to put it away. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Goodbye.